For a Fluidmaster fill valve that keeps running even after adjusting the height of the float, replacing the valve seal will usually solve the problem. Turn off the water valve, flush the toilet, lift up on the float, then turn the cap counterclockwise to lift off the cap. Remove the arm from the rod connected to the float. Pull off the seal and replace it with a new one. Make sure the peg in the center moves freely. Snap the cap onto the rod and replace the cap. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Then turn back on the water valve.